Maintenance requests are one of the biggest time drains for property managers. The problem is tenants call at all hours of the day for all kinds of stuff, which means you'll constantly deal with interruptions and you got back and forth chaos trying to scramble together information. Here's how teams are handling them now. So instead of being glued to your phone or email or sending people to voicemail or having messy tracking systems, you can set this up in literally just 5 minutes using something called fastresponse.ai. Follow along with this video. The first step is to go to fastresponse by clicking the link in the description. Once you're here, you will see a setup wizard. From there, you can just click on real estate, paste your company website link, and hit scrape. So what this has done, it has gathered the key company information, address, name, details. From here, we can assign all kinds of tasks: blocking spam, gathering info, texting, transferring, booking appointments. Hit next. As you can see, it's generated 14 FAQ questions directly from the website itself. So just in a matter of a few clicks, we've already created an agent that knows almost everything about your company based off the website alone. From there, we can give it a test call.
Hi there. Thank you for calling County Property Management. I'm here to help you with any questions you may have about our property management services. How can I assist you today?
Hey, can you pretend like I'm a tenant that's calling you and I want to see how you handle it?
Absolutely. I'd be happy to walk you through the process as if you're a tenant. What can I help you with today? Are you looking for available rentals, need help with a maintenance issue, or something else?
Yeah, I'm curious.
Great.
Do you
Are you
guys have
interested
any-
in viewing available rental properties,
Yeah.
or do you have a specific question or need regarding your current rental?
What do you have available?
I can send you a link to browse all our available properties. Since this is a test call and there's no real phone number attached, could you please provide your cell phone number? It's a one-time text and standard texting rates may apply. Would you like to receive the listings by text?
Sure, it's
Let me send you a text now.
awesome. Also, let's pretend like I'm already a tenant and I'm calling you and I'm saying, "Hey, my dishwasher is not working anymore."
I'm sorry to hear your dishwasher isn't working. Can you tell me your address and briefly describe what's happening with the dishwasher?
123 Main Street. The dishwasher just doesn't turn on. Seems to have some kind of fuse that blew, and now it just makes a weird sound.
Thank you for the details. I'll report this to our maintenance team right away. Can I confirm your best contact number as
Yes, that's right. And also, do you think this would be hazardous because it's near an outlet?
Thank you for letting me know. If the dishwasher is making a weird sound and it's connected to an outlet, it could be an electrical issue, which can be hazardous. For your safety, please avoid using the dishwasher until our maintenance team checks it. Is there anything else you'd like me to mention to maintenance? Or do you have any other urgent concerns?
All right, so that was our first test call. You saw everything right there. So yeah, we haven't even tweaked anything yet. So once you've done that, you can always change the basic details, description. You can input your business hours. You can change the greeting message. You can even change the voice. There's a variety of voices here, all kinds of different personalities. You can also give it more instructions if you want it to have a very, very specific prompt or script. And you can also add your own knowledge base if it needs to access more information. You can add PDFs, documents, all kinds of stuff here. We can change what text message it sends. We can also customize the words for all that as well. And you can transfer calls, multiple different numbers for different departments. And there's so much more. We can't get into all the little nitty details, but yeah, you can also connect it to your calendar just by clicking connect and just log into your Google or Outlook. And now it can read and write events. You can also update what times you want it to be able to do that on. And once you've got those basic things set up, you can just assign a phone number to it, pick your area code, and from there, start making test calls and seeing how it can work for your business. Hopefully you'll realize how fast and easy it actually is. Like I said, it doesn't cost anything to test this out. Give it a shot, and quickly you'll see that you won't have to deal with any more interruptions. You'll never have to send anyone to voicemail ever again. Every single call is going to get documented for you, marked with the task, an urgency level, a very specific set of instructions on what to do next, so you never miss out on any key details. And overall, every tenant that calls is going to get answered immediately and will always have help, even when you or your staff are not available. So if you want to try this out, click the link below. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.